In this fishing video, we are going to take a look at some of the best fishing lures in 2022. Whether you're looking for a new way to catch that big fish or just want to try a different type of bait, these lures will have you reeling in your catches. So don't wait any longer and check out the video. Let's get started. At number 1 is Runkle Pro Bite Lipless Crankbait. A freshwater bass is an aggressive predator species that is a lot of fun to fish because of its aggressive nature. I enjoyed fishing the Finger Lakes with topwater lures, but these diving, rattling crankbaits from Runkle are nearly as much fun. Numerous internal rattles and the tight wobbling action on the retrieve attract attention, dispersing water and alerting predator fish like bass. It's not cheap, but the lures are well made and effective. You should change your retrieval speed to drive to different depths and search the water column for your trophy bass. At number 2 is Rebel Lures Frog or Topwater Lure. A topwater lure, such as this frog imitator from Rebel, works well when fishing shallow bogs and grass beds in freshwater to attract predator fish such as bass and pike. There are 2 treble hooks, one at the tail and one at the underbelly, so no matter where the fish strikes, a hook will be set. Realistic color patterns mimic actual frog prey, but it is the action of the lure that really entices fish. In order to create disturbance with this lure, use a herky-jerky retrieval style such as walk the dog or in this case, walk the frog. At number 3 is Acme Castmaster Lure with Bucktail Hook. Freshwater and inshore anglers alike love this classic Acme spoon, and for good reason. Silver mimics a wide range of baitfish, and corrosion-resistant finish means it'll last for years to come. This spoon is different from your traditional spoon because it doesn't have a concave shape. Even so, it behaves like a spoon with rapid fluttering action on the retrieve, which, combined with the reflective silver finish, creates a visual alert for predator fish. Despite its size, the lure is easy to cast far due to its weight and aerodynamic shape, making it excellent for shore casting. At number 4 is Trucen Pre-Rig Jig Head Soft Fishing Lures. The freshwater fishing lure is made of Japanese material and measures 3.5 inches, which is ready to take multiple hits. It doesn't matter if you are fishing reefs, estuaries, rivers, fresh or saltwater, the Trucen paddle tail lures for fishing will become your essential tool to catch bass, trout, walleye, pike, snook, salmon, redfish, and many other species. These bass fishing lures have a 3D paddle tail to create turbulence, lifelike holographic eyes, and solid wire throughout construction to create an ultra-sharp BKK back hook. There is a top hook to prevent hangups. Fishing it well through all types of cover is made possible by its weedless nature. Trucen fishing bait can be presented as a slow, fluttering presentation, thanks to its ideal weight for long casting and slow sinking. Soft body swim baits generate the perfect kicking action, thanks to precisely engineered shapes. It is easy to cast the fishing jig bait into your ideal fishing spot. At number 5 is Trucen Pre-Rig Jig Head Fishing Lures. The Trucen shrimp has a segmented body that creates lifelike swimming movements in the water, which will turn any catch into a believer. While the tail creates kicking action, the lively legs and antennae perform lifelike actions on the retrieve and drop, which increases the attraction. This bait is capable of withstanding multiple hits because of its extreme strength and flexibility. It will last for a long time and will put other baits to shame. The TPE lure should not be in contact with other non-TPE products. Designed with a precisely engineered shape, the soft body swim baits have realistic swimming action at both ultra-slow speeds and moderate speeds. The jigging minnow is rigged with an ultra-sharp back hook and comes with ultra-realistic patterns and holographic flash foil. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Until the next video, have a great day.